guys, 911. This is an emergency, guys. Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today, guys. We're going to discuss Jasmy. What's going on with Jasmy is, can we expect a downhill trend from here? It's a little bit of a possibility, but everything is in the proof, and the proof is in the pudding. It looks like Jasmy's going to do some major moves coming into this next bull run. So where are we at in the bull run? We're going to talk about that. We're going to discuss that. So make sure you guys watch all the way through to the end, because if you don't, you're going to miss out on some good information that is going to prove and show that the charts and everything else is super bullish behind Jasmy. So 911, make sure you're fully invested, guys. This can be the last time you can get into this project, specifically Jasmy, before we start to go parabolic and move up into this bull run, guys. So we got some I basically got some insight on some charts and stuff like that we're going to talk about to ensure that we continue going up from here, but we can see potentially a dip before we get into the races. So it just basically comes down to where you believe we're at in this market cycle phase. So we're going to talk about all that, guys. So make sure you guys, again, like and subscribe, watch all the way through to the end. This is not financial advice, just some education behind the research that I put out these videos. So we got it. Let's go. Let's get into it. Before we get into this video, guys, real quick, make sure you guys, if you want to play some casino gaming, there is a link in the description. There is 111% sign on bonus if you guys check out my links in the description, guys. That's mad love for you guys to make some extra crypto money, guys, in cryptocurrency. So basically all you got to do is connect your wallet, sign on. Well, actually just sign on to Crypto Slots or whatever link that you want to choose. There's 3 different ones in there. Crypto Slots is my favorite because that's where I've won the most money on, and the most crypto. So basically what you do is just go ahead and sign up, create an account, and then to fund your account, all you got to do is go on to Coinbase or crypto.com or whatever wallet you have and send it to Crypto Slots, and basically it'll fund the account so you could start playing slots, blackjack, keno, whatever you guys like to play, and you can win some potential. To be honest, and I'm not even BSing you guys, I put $40 of crypto into there, BNB, and withdrew about 1,200 in crypto BNB, and you can actually just cash it out if you take it back to Coinbase. So link is in the description. I'm going to hold up so much of your time. 111% sign on bonus if you guys hit the link in the description. So got that out the way. Let's get into Jasmy and the Jasmy charts. Let's go. All right, guys, so like I said, there are many bullish signals for Jasmy that I am thinking that we're going to hit some major areas of new targets for Jasmy, going past that 32-cent range, going well into 2025. I believe we're going to see us go past $1 even for Jasmy. I know it sounds crazy, but let's take a look at where we're at currently and where we could potentially go in the markets. You guys have been aware I put these charts up, guys, quite a bit of time ago. So look, this is where we're drawing out, guys. This is at a 4-hour, so we're sitting really bullish on the 4-hour, guys. I would told you guys we're going to maintain these levels down here before we shot up, and it looks like exactly that's how it's playing out. So was this the bottom down here at that 1.5 level? Really looks very promising that it was. So what is ahead? Well, we're looking at the daily, and this is the same chart that I had drawn out on the daily to give you some areas of interest that I thought we were going to head into, and it looks like we're really playing out in that zone. So if we can maintain right here above this 0.020 level, stay on top of it, we'll start to work our way up. So I was a little bit of ahead of the game, so it looks like potentially this is going to swing a little bit further out, probably towards the end of the month when we start to see that correction up and up we go. So this was my chart. This was what I put together, and I'm waiting for that parabolic candle that's going to take us up to that 14-cent level, and then obviously beyond that. Now there are some other big name cryptocurrency investors that are really good in charts, so I'm going to go ahead and share some of their ideas, because this is something that I thought was very interesting after I had already put together this directional path for Jasmy going forward. So huge bullish news for Jasmy going forward. Let's check out some other. Oh, this chart right here is a psychology of a market cycle that was put together by one of my mentors that has been in cryptocurrency for over a decade, has been through several bull runs, and basically he put together this chart. I believe this is very, very, very positive and kind of where I see us being at right now. So his understanding is that we're barely into this phase right here. You know, and there's a lot of signs that are pointing to that. And what his belief is that Q4 we'll start to see that rally up, which I think everybody's been waiting for. And then going into Q1 of 2025, which is the first 3 months of 2025, we get into this area, and this is so cool the way that he broke it down. You know, because you really can't, you know, you really don't get a picture of this and an understanding of what type of time frame you got. So these are in 3 months sections. So you got Q1 of 2025, Q2 of 2025, Q3 2025, and then Q4 being the time where I believe it's September or October, November, December, where we should see some crazy huge gains. And then it looks like 2026 will start to fall into that bear market sentiment where you're either shorting out the market or you're already out, or you're just trying to make money on the way down. So how do you make money on the way down? Is you play it down here, and then you get these little rally up, sell out, down, rally, sell. But you got to be really good at cryptocurrency and investing to be able to make massive money through something like that. So this is something that's very positive. So, you know, can we be out of this dip? Maybe that was the last bottom that we'll see for Bitcoin and other altcoins, and start to get into this rally going into the last quarter of 2024. We got the election, so it could be potentially there's a lot of positive that could be coming out, especially with the elections coming. You know, the government likes to keep the economy in good standings before we get into these elections. So very positive. Also, I have another chart that came out from Jasmy, one of the Jasmy management controllers, something like that. So I'll go ahead and share that one. Again, this is another bullish sentiment for Jasmy. Again, this is like the area that we're in right now. And, you know, just like me in my charts, I was saying that we were going to, you know, hit that positive up rally for Jasmy. So it's a beautiful curve line, so we could start coming up. Remember, I told you we got to fill that cup before we start to break into that handle. So I'm thinking by the end of this year we could hopefully fulfill that cup area, or if we go into 2025, you know, and then, you know, summertime we see a little correction, and then you know, Q4 blow past that dollar. That's why we get so bullish about Jasmy being to accomplish than $1. That's why I support Jasmy going past $1, $50 billion market cap. I got another hat in the works. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start representing that once we pass our 30 cent level, guys. So I'm gonna show you where I really think we're gonna go as Jasmy. So if you guys are watching this video, man, hopefully you stay blessed, and you know you're able to rock with me with that, you know, because we do believe that here on this channel, Run by Crypto, the Jasmy is gonna go well past $1. So, you know, there's plenty of proof in the pudding, guys. So for, you know, just sharing those charts, sharing my charts to know that, you know, I know that we have the potential to go way past, you know, that 30 cent level into well over $1. And then, you know, with us being potentially in the very bottom of the bull cycle is another big blessing for Jasmy, because there's plenty of opportunity for room and growth. Again, too, if you touch on everything that's going on with the project, there's massive updates that are going to be coming out for Jasmy, not to mention when everything goes live and we get users flooding into the PDL, that's going to be crazy. So you know, market cap, yeah, everybody's so, oh, there, Jasmy cannot do nothing with the market cap, guys. We have lockups, we have all kinds of different factors that'll help defeat the limitations of only having 50 billion tokens as market cap and fully diluted, and then being obviously in that 90% plus total value circulation, because you guys forget to remember that a lot of the big exchanges hold a portion of that capitalization, or that yeah, the total supply. So some of that total supply goes to the exchanges. They have them in their custody and they sell them. So guys, we're not constrained at the 49.9 billion tokens, because there's plenty on the markets to sell and make that valuation for Jasmy continue to go up. So educate yourself on that before you make a comment. you know, and hit me in those comments with it's impossible with tokenomics. Well, you know, do your research on tokenomics before you start saying stuff in the comments. That's all I gotta say, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. We are pushing Jasmy to the moon. All the holders, community members, and Jasmy army, much love to you guys. Let's do this. Make sure you rock with me, Jasmy going beyond $1. Let's get it, guys. Love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.